Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just come out to fit another HALO Mini on this really lovely 2019 Mercedes E-Class Coupe. So basically what's happening is someone tried to fit another canvas immobiliser, was having all sorts of problems, so the customer came to us, we said we can do it, and here it is now. So how the system works, someone's grabbed this key, jumped in, tried to start it. As soon as I go to start it, there you go, vehicle cuts out. Okay, if I try and start it again, vehicle cuts out. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, tap the start button till you get all your yellow and your red lights on. Insert the code. Now if you watch here in the corner, I don't know if you can see it, you're going to get the side light flash. So if you watch carefully, tap, 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 tap. There's our flash. We've passed authorization and we can start the vehicle and drive it away. Okay, when I open the door, you'll see straight away it will automatically arm itself. So there you go, we've got our double flash. System is now armed. So if I try to start it again, it will start and cut out. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, as I said, start button on, insert the code, get your flash, then start the vehicle. What we're going to do now, I'm just going to show you quickly how to place it in valet mode. So if you're taking it for a car wash or a service, tap the start button until you get your yellow and your red lights on. Insert the code, and on the last press hold for 15 to 20 seconds. So tap, 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 tap. There's our flash to say we've disarmed it. Keep watching, and within 15 seconds we'll get 5 flashes, and that will place the system in valet mode. Okay, there's our 5 flashes. So if we turn it off now, open the door, you'll see system will not arm. Okay, so let them service it, let them wash it. There you go, vehicle remains running. When you get the vehicle back, very important to take it out of valet mode, make sure the vehicle's not running. So tap the start button until you get your yellow and your red light main ignition on. So then again, tap, 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 hold. Notice we've got no flash because it's in covert and valet mode. But if we keep holding, you'll see it will come out of valet mode shortly. Just keep watching. There you have it. There you go. Start button off. Let's just open the door. System is now armed. So if I try and start it, there you go, cuts out. Okay. So say for example we wanted to change the code. This is also very simple. I'll show you how to do that. So main ignition on without the vehicle running, insert the code so you passed authorization, tap, 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 tap. There's our flash. And now we tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times. When we've got to 10, we'll get a flash to say we're ready to learn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our flash. And now we've got time to put the code in. Once we put the code in, we've got 5 seconds to turn it off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the start button off. There's our flash to say it's learnt the code. Open the door, close the door. We try and start it. Obviously it cuts out. Let's try the old code. So start button on to main ignition. Try the old code. Didn't work. Start button off, back on. To main ignition. Let's try the new code. There's our flash. Start the vehicle. Really simple and straightforward to use. As I said, this is the HALO Mini on a 2019 micro hybrid. As you can see, it's ready. Some companies are having problems immobilising this, but the HALO Mini seems to work fine. Number to me is 02890600478. 02890600478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.